Hello everyone and welcome back to the Golden Guys channel. Just before we start, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button at the top. Give us a like for this video, it does all help as well. Okay, so we are in London Heathrow, Ibis Styles. So the airport is right over there in room 237. Now when you come in, this is a nice big entranceway. Going to give you a little tip. We had a room before this that was very small and a little bit dark. We've now got this lovely room. So as you come in, you've got a nice big hallway here with our cases. Yes, we've got some hooks up here. It comes with some coat hangers, a little stool, and this is where you're going to find your extra pillows, towels, and whatever that is. Well, that's a hairdryer. That's a hairdryer up there. So then we come down here, and it is so light in here. It is amazing. First of all thing I noticed is a mirror on the wall there. A little vanity unit on the side is a very small vanity unit. You've got your TV and your luggage case holder. A nice big bed over here. Why is it like that? Oh, it's got, oh, I don't know what that is. But how comfy is it? These are always very firm bed, this one. So I'll tell you how we get on with it a little bit later on in another video. But for this room, you have got, this is your flight case. This is all your amenities. So you've got your kettle in there, water, teas, coffees, anything else you need. You've got your room directory, a menu. I haven't looked at this properly, so I've got a clue what's there, and your phone. Each side of the bed has a nice little light. You've got your reading light. Oh, that's squeaky. And then a little side light as well. Both sides of that. This side only has a normal English plug. That side has an English plug and a USB plug as well. What? Johnny's signaling. Oh yeah, you've got a little table there to go across and get in your way. Now I think one of the best things about this room is to your right. Oh, it will be, no, just behind you now. It is the view. Look at that view, isn't that amazing? It is a perfect view of the runway. I've been watching planes taking off already as soon as I came in. There's one up in the sky right now. There'll be another one taking off probably any minute. So I'll probably spend most of the afternoon just watching the planes taking off, if I'm honest. But there's one more thing to show you about this room. So come this way. Come back here. Come on. Come in here. We're going to show you the bathroom, which actually is a very nice bathroom. It's a little bit dim, but I think that's just here. But you do have a mirror light anyway. Got a nice big sink. What's this here? This is vegan, it says. So I think it's the hand wash because it's put on the wrong way. You'll see in a minute, the label doesn't say anything. It says it all around the corner. It's round the wrong way. We've got a duck. I do like how it all looks like you're in a plane with the plane windows. Got a nice lot of space around the toilet. And then we've got the shower. Some nice big shower in here. And actually, that goes up quite high. So for me, that is perfect. We've got conditioning, shampoo, hair, body and hand wash. It's a standard shower, but it is rather nice. So that's it for this room. It is a lovely room, this room. But that's all for it from us. Like I said, please make sure you subscribe at the top, you follow down below, and we'll see you in another room tour. So safe travels, thank you for being a friend.